Hi guys, I'm Victor from Master Pool, and today I want to show you guys a project that we did it. And guess why this project is so nice? This customer, he found us on Instagram. Believe it or not, he got me from direct message, and here we are. So this project was very special because we did everything from the demolishing to providing the travertine stones, providing the tile, doing the resurfacing of the pool, which was sky blue diamond bright. The tile was a very nice equinox tile. If you guys can see, it has a different coloration depending on the sun, on when it hits it. And as you guys can see in the video, we're always very careful when we're delivering products to make sure that the streets are clear so we can come in and putting the products on the correct place where we're not going to damage the grass, or we're not going to damage or bother the customer's logistics with his garage and parking and stuff like that. Now you guys can see the project is all complete. We finished the resurfacing of the pool, sky blue diamond bright, the resurfacing of the tile, we did new coping, we did new travertine on the floor. The patio looks beautiful. We also did a sealer. Now the only thing they gotta do is enjoy it. Stay cool, call Master Pool.